Hello children, today I am going to start the exercise number 6.1 of the chapter number 6, lines and angles. See the first question in your books. In the figure number 6.13, the lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC and plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, you have to find the angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree but lesser than 360 degree. Okay. So in question number 1, see the figure. AB and CD intersect each other at O, and here going. First of all, you have to write the given part. So a condition is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Means this angle and this angle is having the sum of 70 degree. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. This angle BOD, this angle is of 40 degree. You have to find the angle BOE and reflex angle COE. ये दो एंगल्स आपको फाइंड करने हैं, BOE दिस वन एंड COE एंगल तो ये हो जाएगा, लेकिन इसका रिफ्लेक्स इसे छोड़कर बाकी पूरा सारा पार्ट जो होगा वो इसका रिफ्लेक्स कहलाएगा. ओके, तो ये दो एंगल फाइंड करने हैं. देखिए अब किस तरीके से फाइंड करेंगे. BOD is given to you 40 degree. When two lines intersect each other at a point, then these angles are called the vertically opposed angles, and these are equals. So we can say that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. Solution: angle AOC is equal to angle BOD because they are vertically opposite angles. So angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Why? Because BOD is given to you as 40 degree. Now angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is given. और अभी आपने AOC की वैल्यू फाइंड करी है 40. Put it here. Angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40. Angle BOE is equal to 30 डिग्री. यहां पर कितना हो गया? 30 डिग्री होगा. एंगल BOE फाइंड कर दिया. अब फाइंड करना है रिफ्लेक्स एंगल COE, जिसके लिए आपको COE एंगल फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. C, it is a straight line AOB and all these three angles lie on the straight line. So angle AOC plus COE plus BOE is equal to 180 degree. Now angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Angle on the straight line. And angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is given. So 70 plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70. That is angle COE is equal to 110 degree. Now reflex angle COE is equal to 360 degree minus 110 degree. तो जब किसी के एंगल का रिफ्लेक्स फाइंड करना होता है तो हम 360 में से उस एंगल को माइनस कर देते हैं. तो ये कितना आ गया? ये आ गया 250 डिग्री. ओके, सो द टू आंसर विल बी एंगल BOE is equal to 30 degree and reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree. You can note down from the board. See question number 2. In the given figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at O. Here the lines XY and MN intersect each other at point O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree, this angle POY is 90 degree. A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3. Here is A, it is B, and it is C. Given that A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3, you have to find the value of C. आपको ये एंगल पता लगाना है. Okay. C, XY is a straight line, so the sum of all the angles above the line XY is equal to 180 degree. See the solution. Let, हमें पता है A और B का रेशियो 2 ratio 3 है, तो हमने माना A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Now A plus B plus 90. A plus B plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 minus 90. 5x is equal to 90 or x is equal to 80. x की वैल्यू 18 आ गई. जब x की वैल्यू 18 आ गई, अब आपको एंगल A और B इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. So A is equal to 2x, that is 2 into 18, 36 degree, and B is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 18, 54 degree. You have to find angle C. C. MN is the straight line, so the sum of angle B and angle C is equal to 180 degree linear pair. So B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Since MN is a straight line, then B plus C is equal to 180 degree linear pair. In short, you can write linear pair as LP. The value of angle B is 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. So C is equal to 180 minus 54, that is C is equal to 126 degree. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो इस तरह से आपने C की वैल्यू फाइंड करी 126 डिग्री. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू डू these two questions in your fair notebook. Thank you very much.